Three, two, one, boom! How are you all doing today? Welcome! The tip of the day will be how to make more money. Are you ready for that? Buckle up because I'm going to crush you. You remember, the Tasmanian devil from the animation movie back in the days? I was pretty young when it was on. I'm not sure if all of you were actually here to see that. But the Tasmanian devil would go through places and will just destroy and make a lot of noise and make a lot of air. Just everything will fly around, and that's called activity. Activity is the way to make money. If you want to be consistent, if you want to consistently put money in your pocket, you got to take consistent activity. The day you start taking activity will be the day you stop feeding your funnel, the day you stop earning money. We're all in sales, and we got to understand that's how we feed our funnel, how we handle all of our prospects, how we make money. So I want to simplify one. I want to give you a few ground rules that you got to have to follow from here moving forward, and you'll see that you'll be making far more money than you are today. I wanted you to run through your day with the number 16, mark there. You got to talk to 16 good potential customers today. 16 good potential customers today. You hit a right customer, you made a sale, ask for a referral, ask for someone they know, like good, strong conversation. 16, this is the magic number. If you talk to 16 every day, you're really feeding your funnel with a lot of great potential sales. Then if you just take the numbers and kind of amplify that, kind of multiply it, for a full week, you'll be talking to 80 people, 80 potential customers. For a full month, it's 320 customers. For a full year, it's 3,840 potential customers. How much money is that? How much money is that? The Tasmanian devil was traveling from place to place and was always, lifting everything and throwing it into the air, because that's called activity. You want to succeed in life? You want to fill your pockets with money? Hit your activity button every single day. 3, 2, 1, boom.